Are you looking for the perfect pressure cooker to make cooking faster, easier, and more convenient? With so many multi-cookers available, choosing the right one can be challenging. That's why we've selected the top 5 best pressure cookers of 2026, comparing them based on cooking functions, capacity, smart features, safety, versatility, and overall value. From smart Wi-Fi enabled cookers and large family-size models to compact options for smaller kitchens, there's a pressure cooker on this list for every cooking style and budget. Be sure to watch until the end, because our number 1 pick offers the perfect combination of versatility, performance, capacity, and convenience, and it might be the ideal pressure cooker you've been searching for. So, let's dive into our top 5 countdown. Number 5, let's kick off our countdown with a compact and versatile pressure cooker designed for smaller households and kitchens. The Instant Pot Rio Mini 4QD 7-in-1 multi-cooker combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice cooking, yogurt making, and warming in one convenient appliance. Its 4-quart capacity makes it easy to use without taking up too much counter space. With multiple cooking functions and a simple design, it's a great option for preparing everyday meals quickly and conveniently. Key features: heavy checkmark 4-quart capacity, heavy checkmark 7-in-1 multi-cooker, heavy checkmark pressure slow cooking, heavy checkmark rice, steam sauté functions, heavy checkmark yogurt maker warmer, heavy checkmark compact design. Final verdict: if you need a compact and versatile pressure cooker for everyday meals, the Instant Pot Rio Mini is an excellent choice. Moving on to number 4, we have the Cosori Pressure Cooker 6QD, a versatile 9-in-1 multi-cooker designed for convenient everyday cooking. With a 6-quart capacity, it provides plenty of room for family meals while offering multiple cooking functions, including pressure cooking, rice cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, and sautéing. Its ceramic-coated pot and 12 safety features add convenience and peace of mind, making it a practical option for busy home cooks. Key features: heavy checkmark 6-quart capacity, heavy checkmark 9-in-1 multi-cooker, heavy checkmark ceramic-coated pot, heavy checkmark 12 safety features, heavy checkmark 1100W power, heavy checkmark sous vide sauté functions. Final verdict: if you're looking for a versatile 6-quart pressure cooker with useful cooking functions and strong safety features, the Cosori 9-in-1 is a great choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Nuwave Duet Electric Pressure Cooker Air Fryer Combo, offering the convenience of pressure cooking and air frying in one appliance. Its 6-quart stainless steel pot provides a practical capacity for family meals, while the integrated digital temperature probe helps monitor cooking temperatures more easily. With adjustable pressure settings, multiple cooking functions, and Sherlock safety technology, this cooker is designed for versatility and convenient everyday use. Key features: heavy checkmark 6-quart stainless steel pot, heavy checkmark pressure cooker air fryer, heavy checkmark integrated digital temperature probe, heavy checkmark adjustable high-low pressure, heavy checkmark multiple cooking functions, heavy checkmark Sherlock safety technology. Final verdict: if you want a multifunctional appliance that combines pressure cooking and air frying, the Nuwave Duet is an excellent option. Our runner-up is a smart pressure cooker designed to make cooking easier with connected features and guided recipes. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker 6QD combines Wi-Fi connectivity with a built-in scale and more than 500 guided recipes. Its 10-in-1 design allows you to pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, make rice, and prepare a variety of other meals. The 6-quart family size capacity makes it suitable for everyday family cooking, while its smart features make following recipes and managing ingredients more convenient. Key features: heavy checkmark 6-quart family size, heavy checkmark 10-in-1 multi-cooker, heavy checkmark Wi-Fi connectivity, heavy checkmark built-in smart scale, heavy checkmark 500 guided recipes, heavy checkmark multiple cooking functions. Final verdict: If you want a smart and feature-packed pressure cooker with guided cooking assistance, the Chef IQ is an outstanding choice. Taking the #1 spot is a powerful and highly versatile multi-cooker designed for everything from everyday meals to more advanced cooking. The Instant Pot Pro 8 QD 10-in-1 pressure cooker offers pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, sous vide, rice and grain cooking, yogurt making, sterilizing, and warming, all in one appliance. Its large 8-quart capacity makes it especially suitable for families and meal preparation, while the included app with more than 800 recipes provides plenty of inspiration for different meals. With its wide range of cooking functions, large capacity, and convenient smart recipe support, the Instant Pot Pro delivers an excellent all-in-one cooking experience. Key features: heavy checkmark 8-quart large capacity, heavy checkmark 10-in-1 multi-cooker, heavy checkmark pressure slow cooking, heavy checkmark sous vide steaming, heavy checkmark rice, yogurt sauté functions, heavy checkmark app with 800 recipes. Final verdict: if you're looking for the best overall pressure cooker of 2026, the Instant Pot Pro 8 QD stands out with its impressive versatility, family size capacity, convenient features, and excellent all-in-one performance. It is our #1 recommendation. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best pressure cookers of 2026. Whether you're looking for smart features, versatile cooking functions, family size capacity, or the best value for your money, there's a pressure cooker on this list that can fit your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Zivran Tech Osif, and turn on the notification bell for more top 5 product reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which pressure cooker is your favorite. You'll find links to all the featured products in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.